I recently picked up a card sorting tray and I want to do a review, let you know how it is. There was a 1-pack or a 2-pack. I got the 1-pack, and after buying it, it's so good I wish I would have got 2. Why would you need 2, you say? Because you might have more than one project going on at a time, which I'm finding happens. This is by Storage Standard, and you can see here you have different cards under each one. There's 3 different colored cards for each. I'm going to go through and show you it in close-up detail. Let me go through and just do that. Here you can go through and see the tray and all the cards. I have a lot more in at this point. And the cool thing is with those little cards, it helps you pick up the whole pile really easy. I was wondering what this was for, and it's so smart. You can go through and just pick them up and go ahead and organize them and move them around. And when I came to load my commons in, it was really easy because all I had to do is go through and grab the card and pick it up, and boom, I'm good. This is going to help a lot, especially when putting sets together or just opening packs. I can say, okay, well, this is commons, this is the good cards, these are the medium cards, because you get a lot of those medium cards, right? And it's going to really go through and do well. So overall, this thing's amazing. I would definitely get it. In fact, I'm going to probably get more because it's really good. So shout outs to them for making an amazing product.